Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by measuring and rinsing rice because excess starch makes rice gummy. This gives separate grains. Once rinsed, combine 1 cup rice with 25 cups water in a saucepan. Bring to a simmer uncovered. While waiting, beat 2 eggs with 1/4 teaspoons salt. This adds moisture and flavor. Make sure to have a non-stick pan ready for eggs. Don't pause. Start heating the pan now so you can move straight into cooking when the rice is at low simmer. Once the rice is simmering, reduce heat to low and cover tightly. This traps steam and finishes rice evenly, about 12 to 15 minutes for jasmine. While rice cooks, heat a non-stick skillet on medium-high, add a touch of oil, and scramble the beaten eggs quickly so they form soft curds. Overcooking makes them dry. After rice rests 5 minutes off heat, uncover and fluff with a fork. Then fold the warm, scrambled eggs into the rice so they distribute without breaking the grains. This keeps texture balanced. To finish, taste and adjust seasoning. Soy sauce, a pat of butter, or 1 teaspoon sesame oil brightens both rice and egg. If the rice is too moist or mushy, spread it on a tray to cool briefly, then bake uncovered 5 to 7 minutes at low heat to firm grains. This rescues texture. If eggs turned rubbery, recook on lower heat and add a splash of water before stirring. This creates steam and softens curds. Serve hot. Enjoy immediately for best contrast.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.